Okay guys, I'm going to go over the breakdown and cleaning process of the central pneumatic blast gun. Picked this up at Harbor Freight. It was like maybe 20 bucks and has been a major asset to our sandblasting and horseshoe projects that we do. But I made the mistake of leaving it in my sandblast cabinet, but I moved outside and kind of forgot it was there, so now we're going to break it down and give it just a good old cleaning. Figure I might as well make a video while I'm doing it. So the nozzle just unscrews. Obviously you want to disconnect everything, but this thing only comes down to a couple parts. So there's your retention cap, and then your nozzle breaks free, and should be able to see through it. And then it's just a matter of kind of cleaning everything out a little bit. Not a lot to it. Just going to blow it out, run some air through it, make sure everything's good. So that was pretty much it. Just pop it all back together. Make sure there's nothing stuck in there. Sometimes it's sand, it gets moisture in it, doesn't want to come out, so you gotta break it all loose and just tear it apart, blow it all out, and it's ready to rock and roll. Make sure your valve's removed and it's ready to go. That's it.